Hi, I'm gonna show you how to install Toca City for free. So I'm just gonna delete my Toca City, and the link will be down in the description below. Okay, it is. Let's go to Safari. It is MIOS mios dot Hawaii how Haimawan HAIMAWAN.com, and just click it and you are there. Sometimes if you are new, you need to click the first. Yes. So this will pop up, and click this, and that will send you to this, and press install. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm just wait. Oh God. So there you go. It's install profile and profile installed, and you're gonna see it's here. And now you can you will be in Safari only. And this is only works for iOS. iPad, iPhone, yes, iOS only. And type Toca City. Oh God, City. And there is other games like Toca-Boo, and there is no Toca Vacation, Toca Town, Toca School. Okay, it's installing, and there you go. No need to pay, no need anything. But my internet's slow. I don't know how to cut. Oh God. And if you have a good internet, it will be fast. Like my air show, I don't need for Zestia. This is just a waste of time. So while we wait, let's do some hair salon. Oh, what just happened? Okay, let me take a picture. Okay, okay, and you can download as well Toca Salon Me, Toca Hair Salon Me there. And I don't know what's the word. Let's check. Oh, it's fast. So let's play. Sorry about this. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the? Oh shit. What the? Oh yeah. Let's fold my hair. That looks like me. No. Put some hair. Oh God. Oh God, my hair is growing. There you go. Just need to color it blue. Do I like the DM? Maybe the face, no. But the hair, yes, a bit. Okay, guys. You can just wait, but this is really effective. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you hit chances to 100 likes or maybe 40 or likes and maybe like a lot of views, 500 views. I'm gonna take another video how to install um how to, what's that called? How oh god, I forgot how to install Zestia. Yeah, maybe if we just hit that goal. So don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next episode. Hopefully. And that will reach until, wait, what's November today? It's November. Wait. November. Oh god, I forgot the date. What's the date? And if we hit a lot of down thumbs up or thumbs down, I'm not gonna check another video. Okay, it's fast. Yeah. Bye. Oh god. Bye. And see you next episode. Bye. Bye. Wait. Oh god. The airplane cannot go. Come on, issue. Okay, I'm just gonna go to airshow and